Hi, I'm Joanna and welcome you to my missredfox paper art channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to prepare fabric to use it for covering books. I told you about this possibility in my last video about the tools and materials that you need for bookbinding. And here it is. Here is everything that you need to prepare the fabric for covering books. You will need a piece of webbed fabric like cotton, a piece of double-sided iron-on interface, and a piece of white tissue paper. Furthermore, you will need an iron and an ironing board. To start, turn the fabric with the right side facing down and put the double-sided interface over it with the paper facing up. And then you can press. Wait for a while until it cooled down a bit, and then you can just pull the paper backing off. And the surface is a little bit sticky now. All you have to do now is pressing the tissue paper on the fabric. And your fabric is now good to go to use it for covering books. The problem with regular fabric is that the glue can go through the pores of the fabric, and you don't want to have that. So this is why we iron a little bit of tissue paper on the back, and it works like paper then, and you can use it for bookbinding. I hope to see you in the next video. I will then show you how to start making covers for a notebook with Japanese step binding, and we will use this kind of fabric for it. Have a nice day. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them as fast as I can. Now, you've probably heard this a million times on YouTube, so please like and subscribe if you like bookbinding and paper crafts in general. And I'll come back with more videos and tutorials on this subject soon. Thank you.